In today's episode, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the easiest cocktail foam with egg whites. It's super easy, super delicious, and it can be done with or without alcohol. Let's do it. So the key part of this video that is making this not easy for everyone at home is you are going to need a whipped cream canister. They're like, I want to say $15 off Amazon. You can also get them with the nitrogen cartridges for probably 25 bucks. And you get, I want to say, around 8 to 10 cartridges. So for 25 bucks, that is not a bad deal. Definitely a good investment if you love making mocktails and cocktails at home. Our first ingredient is going to be 3 ounces of lemon juice. These Walmart lemons are amazing. 1.5 ounces in just one side of this. There's our first 2 ounces, or another ounce. This is a squirter.
That's what she said.
So there we are, 3 ounces of lemon juice. So now that we have our 3 ounces of citrus, we are going to add 3 ounces of a simple syrup. We are using a lychee beverage infusion that has the same consistency as syrup. And again, we're doing 3 ounces. Obviously we're doing lychee, but you can do this with any flavored syrup out there. It just has to be 3 ounces. You want to keep your ratio, in line. All right, checking in again. Now we have our syrup. We have our lemon juice. Now we are going to add any juice, like if you want to do pineapple, that's more than acceptable, cranberry, pomegranate, whatever you want to do, you're going to do 6 ounces of it. And today we're doing a white peach because white peach and lychee are delicious together. 2 ounce, 4 ounce. Okay, so here's the fun part, right? So we are keeping this non-alcoholic despite me being a bartending channel. Instead of doing the last 2 ounces of the white peach though, I could also do a peach schnapps. You don't even have to do any juice at all. If it's a low ABV liquor, like something like amaretto or even obviously peach schnapps, you could just do 6 ounces of that instead and make a boozy cocktail foam. It's delicious. I've done it so many times, just not today. And there's our final 6 ounces. 6 ounces total. And for our final ingredient, we are going to add 2 egg whites from large eggs. And you want to do this in a separate container, just in case you're not very good at separating your egg yolks from egg whites. You're gonna save yourself a lot of ingredients instead of just cracking right into there. Let's add our second. Now we're gonna lightly beat them before we add them to everything else. And we're gonna double strain those egg whites into the mix. It's gonna take a while, but we're gonna get there. And we are double straining it. In my opinion, you always want to double strain egg white cocktails, and I think this is no different, and that's why we're doing it here. Now we just stir this all together a little bit, pour that into our cream canister. Now we're gonna put the top on. We have our nitrogen cartridge, and we're just gonna twist until we hear that. Make sure it's on all the way, and we're gonna give this a nice good 10 to 30 shakes. All right, now I just wanted to make a simple mocktail to show you guys how to make this foam. So we're just gonna pour some Sprite out, because one, I think this lemon lime Sprite is gonna go deliciously with the foam we prepared, and then it'll just be an easy mocktail. All right, here we go. Let's add our foam. Shot out a little bit faster than I wanted to, but that is beautiful. Oh my gosh, let's take a sip. Oh my God, wow, that is crazy. Holy shit. I swear to God, I could chug this whole thing right now. Let's see how the second round comes out. There we go. I just need to be a little more gentle, that's all. This foam is delicious, it's creamy. Oh my God. There it is, that's how you make cocktail foam. Obviously, we did a non-alcoholic version. Super easy to do with liquor, super easy to do with juice. Anything you want, you can make a cocktail foam just like that. Yeah, that's a 10 out of 10, holy fuck.